Hi guys, I am just showing you just a little snippet of just a little rearranging I did in my craft room because I was working on a desk that was not working and I didn't have enough space. So if you want, just looking for a way to be able to still have your craft stuff and be able to find them when you need them without incurring expenses that you're not able to reach right now, this is just a little idea of what you can do. So what I did was I bought a table. This is a 6-foot table, if you can see it. And essentially everything, a lot of the stuff I had piled up on that small desk, I basically brought them and I put them in a way that works for me, so I can see where everything is, my scraps. Of course, I have my little light there, my bottle of water, my my Cricut machine in the back there. That's the Explore one, and just some of my punches, and I just have my laptop right here just for convenience, but it doesn't stay here. And this is my little photo boothy thing that I purchased some time ago. I have that, and yes, so I have this set up here so it works okay for me. Then on this side, which is where I originally had all my stuff, all of the stuff you see over there, which was not convenient. So I have my what do you call it? I forgot what it is, but I had a video on it, and I put my stuff in there, stamps, my scissors, glues, my embossing machine. The Cricut is at the bottom, and at the bottom is where I have all my tape, stapling supplies, things of that nature. On this section here, I have some stamps, my runners. Let me see what else I have on this side. Let's see. On this side, I have some of my color pencils, my stencil brushes. These are just like miscellaneous tools, including my whatchamacallit, and a couple of, whatever you call those, I forgot. Just things of that sort, little things. Then up here, I have my markers, my glues that I use most of the time, my scissors, my pens, just little things that I use. And over here, I use this distress ink, quite a bit. So I have it here, and under that, I just have a little something here with cut out letters, and it's many, again, the glues that I use most of the time, my briars, my decorative scissors. This is a couple of rulers I have in the middle here, and I have my water spritzer here, and just a little tacky thingy right there. Then under here, I just kind of put my cutting boards that I have. Up here is just my little snacky thing, just if I need to snack on something. But again, that's preference. I have in the top drawer here, I have my stencils. In this here is just like miscellaneous supplies. In here, I have like, just my embellishments pretty much. I got them mixed up again, but I am going to get them refixed. Again, these are some more embellishments. I have, Tim holes, just a whole bunch of embellishments in here. But the idea is to have them together. This is ribbon, rope. Just kind of stuck my knitting pins in here, but things of that nature, they're all in this drawer here. If I can get it to close, because I was messing around with it, that's why I got it messed up. In here, I got it all disorganized, but these are where I have my inks, you know, my stamping pads that I use most of the time. They're all in here, and it's because I was doing a little moving stuff around. I have to just go ahead and fix, but it's just a way of letting you see, you know, how you can kind of work without spending a whole bunch of money up front, because a lot of those items I bought over time. This is like tape, and my embossing powders, you know, in here, you know, that's in here. Here I have like just oh my, I forgot what they call those. Felt, yes, cloth felt. They're not the stiff felt, but I used to use them for other crafting, and I don't use them anymore. Oops, let me get that up. Sorry about that. Then down here I have some stamps I've had over time. Some of them I use, but you see this is already falling apart because I've had it for a minute. And down here just miscellaneous stuff for now. So that's how I kind of I'm trying to get things slowly but surely. I have a couple of stacks here that I got from Amazon, you know, that I can put in this section. I have my 65-pound cardstock. Under I have my 100-pound cardstock. These I got from Michael's. Yes, Michael's. This is my stamp pad, scrubber, and of course this is specialty paper that I have up here that you can see. Then over there I have one of my machines, my freestyle manual, then my computer, my desktop, where if I need to print anything. And this is pretty much my workspace. You know, it's not very large, but at least I have more space. And then here, this is what I keep my embossing folders in. So I'm trying to work this with one hand, so bear with me. You know, because I know we don't all have, you know, the funds to get all the fancy drawers and things like that. So, you know, you can just buy little piece by piece, you know, just little things that can help you work. Then I also have, it's kind of hard to pick it up because it's kind of big and heavy. This is also a folder that I made. Yes, I purchased the different stamp, I forgot what they call it. I'm having a brain freeze today, guys. But these I purchased for my stamps. These are stamp holders, or you know, that I use. So this, all my stamps are in here, and these are some extra sheets. This is like a 3-inch ring binder that I had. I may need to get a bigger one because this one is kind of full. And I have one more thing that I was using. These I'm using for scrap. It's kind of heavy, guys. Bear with me one moment. Ooh, there it is. This here, I bought it from Michael some time ago again. And inside it has those little neat cases. So in those, like, I have strips, I have more scraps other than what I have. Then I have some washi tape here. But it's primarily scraps and embossed pieces that I haven't used. But I use those here just to, you know, cut down on, you know, having strips and all of that everywhere. But I do have this here as part of my organizing. So it may be a piece of thing here, one there, but technically, you know, you have to start somewhere. So I hope that does give you an idea, you know, as far as getting your space a little more organized if you don't have much money to spend. So do what works for you, and thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.